2, 1, go.
Qualification match 22. Looks like Mech and Cheese may be a little misaligned, while Robowranglers makes quick work of collecting fuel from the neutral zone and returning to fire into the Red Alliance hub. They unleash another storm from the Robot Tempest. Teleoperated mode. Robowranglers returns to the neutral zone to refill their robot. Rebellion firing some fuel over to the Red Alliance side of the field. Texplosion and Mech and Cheese trying to refill their robots to make use of the Blue Alliance shift. Mech and Cheese trying to make it over to the Blue Alliance. They just can't quite get over the bump yet. And they made it. They line up. Firing one off the field, one into the hub. Texplosion following up with a short burst of fuel as we head over to the Red Alliance shift. 148 lines up with the hub. And they easily loft a nice volley into the Red Alliance hub. Their partners Rebellion refilling the red side of the field. Texplosion is not only throwing balls, they're throwing pieces of their own robot. Robowranglers lined up with the Red Alliance hub, taking a short shot. .148 fires again, emptying their whole robot into the Red Alliance hub. Texplosion is full up. They're waiting for the end game with 30 seconds left in the match. They open fire and the Blue Alliance hub is full of fuel. Robowranglers counters with their own volley. Cyber Rangers helps their teammates and they fire into the Red Alliance hub. 10 seconds left in the match. Mech and Cheese lines up one last time. Texplosion lines up one last time. 3, 2, 1. Match 22 goes to the Red Alliance. 167 to 52. Attention in the stands, we have an announcement.